Right guys, welcome back. I'm back again. I've got the axle in, it's all in place. Just putting it back together now really. As you can see, I've got that on there. Oh, fucking hell, mate. Here is difficult to get in there, son. No, I don't know. I'm good like that, you see. I had to do that anyway, that fucking toy. Right. Yes, sir. That's our bike. Look at that. There's the suspension pieces back in. Right. I'll tell you what it's all about now, guys. I'll tell you what it's all fucking about now. Right. I told you about earlier on. Oh, you cunt. Fucking piece of shit. I took this out. The shock absorber. Took the shock absorber out to make life easier for me. Now I've got to put that back in. Oh, you mothers can't fucking wash her, innit? Right. Fucking wash her. Oh, come on. You're like your fucking grandmother split, you are. That's it. Right, so that's there. Might as well tighten it up over there, and yeah, that's that in. Got to do the other side now. In a minute. Make sure. That's it. That's them back in, right? That's them little pricks back in. Now, we've got to drop the suspension in a minute, but not quite yet. Look how new this is, guys. Look how new this is. That I've got to take these off from you. Hey, mate. All right. I've got to take these off. Look how new that is. Look how new that is. Better than the other one that I had on there. Oh, look at that. I'm fucking happy with that. Thanks to mate, he saves a lifesaver, you see. But you know what, little does the fella know it, later on I'm going to take 50 quid round to him for letting me have this axle. Can't expect things for free, can you? Yeah, very nice of him. He lives around the corner. But I should do that for him. My old mate, Kiosk son. Get in there, you bitch. Oh, look at that. Sweet as a nut. Right. What the fucking do with that one? Here you are. Let's make sure we're using the right one. She's in. Panhard rod's in. Ain't fucking going anywhere, is it now? Right? Panhard rod's in, boy. I've just got to put the suspension back in now. But I'm wondering if I should put this pipe in first, like this. What's the split? Here. Right. Like that. That's it. And then connect the pipe back up. Connect that back in. There'll be a lot of air in here. For fuck's sake, see this, don't you? Fucking joy. That'll do that. I can disconnect that now. Let the fluid run through. Right. Now, just the spray. You're just fucking different.
Right, I'm just going to go to the shop, yeah?
Alright.
Right, I won't be long.
Alright then, maybe I'll see you in a minute.
Yeah, no.
Yeah?
If you go in the bedroom, go careful because sand is out.
Alright. Well, that's to the front. Which is going to be different. You know what? I'll put these ones in. So, I don't know what one goes in where. That one must go up through there like that. So that's sitting there. That's one in, right? And then this one. That's different, that's from fucking front. Make sure the springs are sat right. Yeah, so that's about right, isn't it? Yeah, can you see that, guys? Fucking neighbours. Fucking mud and all sorts falling out of me. That's that one in as well. Use your charby here. Use your charby here, son. I can let that go now. Let that jack off, it's fine. Tell the weights in there now. Tell the weights in there now. You can tell the weights in there now, mate. Right, what have we done? Right, let's have a look, see what we've done here. See the work we've done. Right, we've done that, pipes on. Put that on there, put that on there. Just got the prop shaft to join up, and now we'll do that last. I've just got to sort these handbrake cables in it out now. Reline these sensors. So I just want to come up through there and just make it shortly. I've got to re-clean them off. Undo this. That's it then, done. Purchase on that one, son. Purchase on that one. I don't fucking hang about. I don't hang about, do I? Hey? Considering I've been up half the night. Playing with me Corey. Considering I've been up half the night carrying, son. Yeah. I love it. Fucking love it, mate. I actually do. I'm not even chatting shit. I love it. Oh, these sensors better fucking fit. Yeah. They look different to me. They look different. The sensors look different. No they're not. That's probably just how they are. Fuck that sensor is going to go in there. That sensor will go in there, but mate, let me tell you that. That sensor will go in there, guys, and you worry about that. You worry about that. She is going in there. And I don't see why not. Look. Make sure it's nice and flush when you put it in. Make sure you don't kink the washer. The O-ring. Is it called an O-ring? I think so. Yeah, O-ring. Yeah, only holds the sensor in there. You don't need to do it too tight. £1/4. Look, see? That's that one sensor done. I'll take you around the other side now, we'll have a look. There's the old fucking, look at the state of that. That's what I mean, that's fucked. That's fucked, that is, that one's fucked. This is a good one, right? Fucking good, isn't it? Yeah? No, for fuck's sake. You should be able to. You should be able to see what I'm going to do here, because if I put this here, and do here, where's the sensor on here? This is the other sensor on here. Yeah, it's fucking good, isn't it? Pop that out. Stunk of shit. Fuck me, exactly the same as mine. Very good. Very good, my friend. Oh, fuck it. I really need to clean that off. Do you know what? I'll clean that, don't you worry about that, son. I'll clean that with this. I'll fucking clean it with this, look. See, look, that's the O-rings there, look, I can sit around the edge. You fucking split that out, damage out, you're gonna be losing a little bit of fluid. Oh. Oh yes, look at that. Very good. Told ya. Ant knows his game. Ant knows what he's doing. Fucking right I do. Right, I know what you're doing, mate. Don't have loads of money for mechanics to do your work. Why do I need a mechanic? I don't need a fucking mechanic. I just go on Google. It's called using YouTube if you're not sure. Lots of guys on there does this sort of work. And do you know what? They helped me rebuild my engine, they did. Yeah, YouTube helped me rebuild my engine. And explains the reason why I started up YouTube. Not only that, because I'm a fucking loner. Not for long though. I'll soon get back with people that goes ferreting. Go out with people that goes ferreting. I love ferreting. Oh, fucking right. I fucking love it. Right? I don't like it. I fucking love it. I like working hard. As you can see. Well, that is pretty much done, guys. That's pretty much done. That can go in the wheelbarrow. That's that more weight. Right. Tilt the camera up. Bring the camera out. And there we have it. How easy that was. Love it. Do you know what? I fucking love it. That spanner was a waste of flipping time, but it's still done the trick though, didn't it? I mean, it was just worth a trial, wasn't it, eh? Everything is worth a go, isn't it? Eh? It's good. That's what it is. It's good, right? No, I don't like this. I'm a bit cack-handed when it comes to this side of the story. Fucking hell, that was stiff. You've got the ratchet screw. Not undo it. Well, you got to loosen it right off. Right? Until, I've got to take all this off. I've pretty much done this car now. It's really nearly done. Since I've been out here at 7:30 this morning. And it's only getting on for fucking 11 o'clock. I ain't done too bad, have I now? Do you reckon I've done it before? Of course I have. Of course I have. And I never used Google. I never used YouTube. I just took one look at it and went, yeah, spring's got to come out, yeah, shock absorber's got to come out, yeah, pan arm rod's got to dangle down, and the suspension arm. That looks quite fucking twisted, to be honest. I might get a new one of them, is that? Oh, I'll renew everything on this car, I will. There's only money in it. There's only money. Fuck it. You live once. You live once, why not enjoy your ride? Yes. Very good. Very good. Right. Now, I need to undo that spring. I fucking hate this job. Yet again. Ain't there another easy way I can do this? Does that mean I'm gonna knock pistons out? I hate this job. They've got pretty good pistons on here. Ain't there another way I can deal with this, guys? Anyone wanna help me out? Anybody wanna help me? No? Maybe fucking not. So maybe, yeah, I have to go through this piece of shit. Okay, that's not a problem. If it's what it is what it is. Fuck me, you're tight, you know that. You know what? I said that to my missus once. Oh, chaos. You know what? I said that to my Sheila once, mate. Yeah, you was tight. Fucking hell. Talk about crank it up, baby. Very good. I reckon it's been fucking, this has been fucking, yeah, they're brand new. Yeah, they're fucking new, aren't they? You can fucking see that. But they're new. We should only have to take out one side. Yeah, that. No, that just fell out. Cable got cut, that's why. I've got to put my one in. And it's a little bit greasy. And it doesn't, oh fuck, oh no. I have to take that out actually. For fuck's sake. Yeah, I do have to take the whole calibre apart, guys. The old brake. I've got to take it all apart. Fucking thing. I don't like this job best of times. You honestly think I like taking things apart? Because no, I don't. So fucking annoying. It's like the sheriff, that's what it is, a prick. PC dickhead. Anyway. Fuck the PC dickhead. At least I look after my fucking car. At least I keep my car up to fucking date. People out there don't give a shit. And that is the way it is. Oh, do come on. Oh, that's it. That, look at that. Push the old one in. Push the new one straight through. Go on, you fucking hawk it in there, you fucking slag. It's a bit of a rude word, really. I shouldn't be using that, really. Bad language, Anthony. Anthony, bad language, mate. Bad language, that is. Is it really? I'm gonna go around over this. Ah, look at that. Push the spring right back like that. And then, this is your fucking brakes. You must take good care of these. This is fucking blind, isn't it? She's a brand new one. You like this? How you did? Right. We're gonna stick the spring back in. This is a hard job to do. Alright, mother, you got a roll up for me, mate, have you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, fuck's sake. Huh?
I just bought it anyway, put it back in.
Okie doke. Yeah, I'll do with one. Right. I need a nice roll here, that's what I need.
So you've got to give me £8.
8?
Yeah, let me see how much it is actually.
Oh, for fuck's sake. No, this is getting a little roused. Okay, you want to play that game here, son? Right, now this is fucking pissing me right off, this is. Do you know what? Fucking annoying. See what I mean? I don't like these back brakes. Yes, that's it. No, I don't fucking like hear that clicking. That's it. That's in there. I don't like this job. It's shit. Quite clean, this, isn't it? I'll be glad to get this side all up and dusted. I'll be fucking over the moon with it. Right. What we need to do now is just stop that. That's it. Oh yeah, I see. I see what that groove's for. To hold that spring out. Very good. See, I learn new things every week. Oh, for fuck's sake, see this piston, don't you? Right. Very good. Oh yeah, look at that. Did I sit that one on there? You know what I think about this job? It's sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's shit. I prefer the good parts, but you don't get everything so fucking good, do you? Tell you what though, that wasn't bad, that went straight in as well. I'm well impressed with that, son. Now I've got to just grab the spring, pull it up. Oh, do you know what? You're a fucking bitch, you know that? Oh, you fucking whore. Oh, you fucking silly little cow bag. See what I mean? I fucking hate this job. Really, I don't like these fucking brakes. They're fucking shit to do. Do you know what? I'm going to loosen the cable inside the cab, I think. I'm going to pause it for a minute, guys. Right, guys, I've finally done this side. And it fucking really pissed me off. Put it somewhere now. Fucking taking on a fucking piece of shit. I was lucky I didn't smash it up, to be honest. Lucky I didn't, because otherwise I was gonna. And I thought if I do that, I ain't gonna have a motor anymore. So what's the point in that? Fucking piece of shit. The other side now. All that. Fucking thing. My fucking head in there, dude. Well,
The issue, is it?
that one, it just sold me down to go and get another car.
Yeah.
Right.
So when it starts going wrong, you have a break and have a roll up.
I'm a fag, yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it?
Well, yeah. Right.
I bet you're sitting there, oh, he's a smash
Yeah,
up.
I'm off to the shop.
Oh, he's gonna beat the shit out of that in a minute, and is. That does your fucking head in, Moosh. I'm on this side now. The other side, like I said, I nearly smashed it up. Nearly. Not quite. That's what you need. You need to have a fag if you get stressed. That's what you need. Fucking have a fag. Fucking thing. Fucking annoying. Right. Yeah, these are brand new, like these. These are new. Now. I'll get somewhere in a minute. It's half past 11. 6 minutes past 11 now. And it's nearly finished. Didn't fucking take long, did it? Didn't take long. Nothing takes fucking long with me. Just whether it goes in gear or not, you know? Why do people put springs that way around? They're fucking pissing me off when they do that. Fucking annoying. Right. I need to knock that down. Yeah, that's out. Yeah. Fucking pisses me off. Fucking work like this, man. This is shit. First of all, it's different, yeah? It's fucking different, isn't it? That's got to knock the fucking piston out again, isn't it? Right. Yeah. See that. That fucking thing there. See that? That fucking thing there. Right. That it drives like a Corey. Rudy runs a fucking kid over, that'd be fucking great for him, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be fucking great, that would. I wonder if I can bypass it through doing it this way. Let's have a look. If I'd have thought about it, I could have got the angle going right here, look. And fucking sort the prick off. Nah, I've got to take it all off and all, that's what I've got to do. Not fucking about here. That's what I've got to do. Take it all apart. Just fucking take it apart, innit? That's what I've got to do. Take the fucking little shit apart. Right? Cheers. Thank you. That. That. Yeah, I'm not bad doing this side. And this side. The fucking problem was the other side. I'm a bit cack-handed like that. Nah, fucking cack-handed, you know. Right. Right. Bit fucking cack-handed like that, but there you have it. that. Oh, I see that. Yeah, he drives like a Corey, he does. Right. See? That fucking thing. Right. Fucking last job. Fucking put this one in there. Right. Yeah. Right guys, that's it. That's it now. That's it. I've had a fucking enough of this. There's tension up. Right, that's it. We're all done. Anyway guys, I'm going to let you go and I'll catch up with you on the next video very shortly. Don't go anywhere because I will be back. All I've got to do now is put the wheel on and then I'm fucking done for the day. Bye for now, see you in a bit. If you like the video, subscribe, put your thumbs up, hit the notification bell and enjoy the rest of your day because I'm feeling very tired because I ain't hardly had any sleep because I had some kind of snorer laying next to me snoring and kept me awake. And I got training tonight. Very good. Bye for now, see you in a bit.